What is up, guys? It's Killerrain Gold, looking so beautiful today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your makeup like the singer from AFI. I thought he was always so beautiful when I was younger. Loverboy. Oh, but I definitely put my heart to him because definitely inspired me to do makeup and I don't really care to be judged, so I feel so beautiful all the time. And I will definitely get into the video, show you guys. I'll be doing a little bit of eye work, lip, and I already put a little bit of mostly highlighter, but I'm going to put more highlighter and show you guys what I do. It's going to turn out sexy. Yes. Yes. Shout out to Jeffree Stars. Yes. Blessed. Yes. Loved. Yes. Purple and pink. Yes. Okay, I'm going to be getting into it. My camera's doing something weird earlier, so I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to put some black, and I don't really need that much because I'm going to be putting this other stuff. So I guess I don't really need to do tops at all. Never mind that. I'm just going to go straight for the wing that I need to make. I need to shake this stuff up. It's drying out a bit. Okay, I got that side a little bit done. Okay, I'm gonna try to make as even as possible. I add a little extra stuff to it, but looks still really sexy. Yeah, I got a little bit out of the camera there. I'm gonna bring my camera up a little bit closer so you guys can see. I guess I can come up this close. Make me be able to see too a little better. I'm not gonna rush this. I'm gonna try to make this look nice. It's hard to see a little bit. It's looking great. Okay, it's looking beautiful so far. It's just getting a little hot in here. Whew. Got highlighter all over me, but that's alright. That's alright. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to put some black up top. I'll show you guys what I use. I'm going to use some of this Jeffree Star's Stoner? I don't really can't read that great, but this is what I may be using. This black right here. Can't really understand what it's trying to tell me, but it's something good. Brushes. Okay, I'm gonna be using one of these for. I'll show you. Today I'm just gonna take the black. Just take this, and then put it up here. You don't have to be too careful, but make sure it doesn't run too high, because I have an idea for what's going on for this. It's looking beautiful. Other eye. I cut my wrist and black my eyes. Whoa. I'm not gonna cut my wrist though, but I'll black my eyes today. I'm not sad no more. I got my girlfriend back. Very excited to be with her, make videos and more. So I'm pretty confident and happy. I don't really need another woman, I need one. So ladies, try to tempt me, I'm gonna shoot you down. But Jeffrey, watch out, you might be my boyfriend. I know I can outsmoke him. I know, he probably thinks I'm too good for him. Nah, but he does bring a lot of joy and smile in my day, so I support him and help him. And believe what he believes, so I believe in it. Okay, moving on to the next step. I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna be using this pink today. This pink right here. It's called Cotton Candy Pink. It's one of my favorite pinks, and I seen that Davey liked to use pinks or like the icy blues. So I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with that. I don't know how I'm gonna draw this, but I'm gonna think like that. I'm thinking I'm gonna go come down like this. Okay. I'm gonna attempt this. I know I can do this. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start up a little high to make sure that it makes it up the whole way down. You see this image on Google, so I want to give it a try. And plus, this pink is so wonderfully beautiful. Plus, I got a pink nose ring for it. Plus, I got the AFI shirt I got from my old friend. I used to have a few when I was younger, but they all got ruined. Okay, I'm gonna go towards the other angle so I can cut it up. This is probably like the best way so you don't mess up. It'll look really good once I'm done. It just looks weird because I never attempted it before. So I'm just trying here. So I think you guys would enjoy seeing me attempt this. If I do a good job or bad. But I think you guys will enjoy the look. So sexy. I'd like to meet him one day. I went to Warped Tour and stuff, but I never seen him there. I haven't really checked if there's too much new music, but I don't know. I don't think, but you never know. Okay. I'll try to straighten it up a little bit. Just gonna use a decent amount of paint. It'll look really freaking beautiful when it's done. I'll add some extra details into it too. Just cause, so I make this video worth watching. I am super excited. It's a little late, but that doesn't mean nothing. It doesn't mean you can't have fun and enjoy the day and night. Getting some new makeup soon so I can make some new videos, and I have very great ideas already. So if you guys have any ideas, I'll be all ears to listen. Ooh, I just love this paint. Since I got it, I fell in love with it. I do use this paint a lot. Might have to order another Jeffree Stars palette just for the paint. Well, and other colors, but I really love the paint. Try to fix up the lines right now. Just doing like the finishing touches so it's straight. Now I'm gonna try to like triangle it off more. I'm gonna check out the picture and see if I missed anything. Okay, we're looking good so far. It's looking beautiful, guys. I'm just gonna do one couple touches with the paint just to make sure that I got make sure I got it all. Okay, I'm gonna use a little, we're gonna move on to highlighter. I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter before I put lip stuff on. I'm gonna go with a little bit this and this real quick. All Jeffree Star's highlighter. If you wanna do makeup or any type of makeup, definitely this highlighter is a must. I would say so. I don't know where my brush went. Dude, we lost brush. Brush down. Pulling it back up. There's a brush down. Oh, you found it. Okay. I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna use a little bit of this paint because I already have a lot of paint going. I'm gonna put a little bit of the white on, not too much of the white. Just for like highlighted spots. My nails seem shiny as shit though. Oh, my nose. My nose, big fella. So beautiful. I got a opal and a nose ring. I was just pulling my hair on my face a little bit more. Okay, one more step. I'm gonna be moving on to this. I'm gonna be using moving on to the last step. I'm gonna be using lip gloss. I use this and this for a beautiful shiny color. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera over a little bit. I think it looks so dashing. So dashing, darling. So dashing. Left and the right for Jeffree. But okay, I'm gonna be putting on this first and then this. The brand is Brand. And there is your look. See if I can get a better angle. What is up? This is how it turned out so beautifully. You guys can let me know how I did. I think I did a pretty good job. So beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think and how it turned out. Bye guys. Peace. So much highlighter everywhere. Bye.